Hi, first grade mathematicians. So today is a review day. We're going to review the concepts that we learned in lessons 9.3 and lesson 9.4. So back on Monday and Tuesday, we learned that mathematicians use different instruments to measure other objects in their classroom or at home. And this gives them an idea about the length of an object. And the two instruments that we used this week were colored tiles and paper clips. Now, you can use almost anything to measure something else. These are the two that we used. I saw some really cool, interesting ones. I've seen kids use instruments like pennies or other types of coins, quarters to measure different materials around their house. And that was really, really awesome and creative thinking. We're going to go ahead and we're going to use, I'm going to remind you how to use the colored tiles and the paper clips again today. And then on your own independent work, I'm going to give you a little preview of what that looks like. And you'll see how you can even just use squares to measure out different objects. Okay, so let's go on to the next slide. All right, so here I have a picture of a laptop and I have a picture of a tablet. And I'm going to use the colored cubes to find out, the colored tiles to find out how long this laptop is. And I'm going to use the paper clips to figure out how long this Samsung tablet is. All right. Now, if you remember, one really important thing when you're doing measurement is to make sure that the objects that you're using to measure your instruments are either side by side or end to end so that you get an accurate measurement. So with my colored tiles, I'm going to make sure that they're side by side when I move them. I'm going to start at this red line right here because I know that is the start of the laptop, and I'm going to go all the way to this red line because I know that that is the end of the laptop. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and notice I'm counting as I'm laying down the tiles so that I remember how many colored tiles I'm using. So it's up to 7, 8, 9, and I think we have room for this one. Perfect. 10. Okay, so I'm going to recount my tiles just to make sure I have 10, which is I think what I counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this laptop is about 10 color tiles long, and that's what I'm going to write in. Okay. Now let's look at the Samsung tablet, and we're going to use paper clips to measure that. So remember, as I put them from end, with the paper clips, I'm going to put them from end to end, and I'm going to count as I go. And then I'll recount again at the end so I know that my number is accurate. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I better move that one. That is not end to end. Uh-oh, I lost count. I guess I'm going to have to count them again after. Okay, I want you guys to count these up too as I count them. Did you guys get 10 paper clips? Good, because so did I. Okay, so now I'm going to write into the sentence, the tablet is about 10 paper clips long. Okay. Now, let me show you what work you're going to be doing today. You're not going to measure different objects, but as you can see, the snake in the photos are long. Some are longer than others, some are shorter. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the blocks, you're going to count up the blocks, and you're going to see how long the snakes are according to the blocks. So I know that all snakes start, all of the snake tails start in the same spot at this first block, but many of them end at different blocks. So I see, like, for instance, this snake, the nose ends right here. So I'm not going to count this block because the snake doesn't go to that block. I'm going to count all of these. So let me get started with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this snake is 14 blocks long. Okay, for your independent work though today, you're going to do all of these. Okay, and you can find that in the link on your slides. All right, first grade mathematicians, have a great day. And if there was any math that you didn't get to finish on Monday or Tuesday, today is your opportunity to do that. Okay, hope you enjoy. Bye, happy learning.